Hey everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com, and again, I'm stuck at home because of the global coronavirus pandemic, but just because I'm stuck at home doesn't mean I can't have fun at home, and I am having fun with my yo-yo. And I'm gonna do this trick called stop and go because this whole coronavirus thing has been a little bit stop and go. At first we heard it wasn't a major threat from the president, and then he went and said, yeah, actually it is a threat, and took it seriously, and then put out these social distancing guidelines that we've all been following now. And all these states are locked down, we all have to stay at home by order, and there goes the Constitution, what do you know? And then he starts talking about he wants to get things opened up by Easter, and well, Easter's tomorrow and things aren't still opened up, but now, again, now that it is Easter, the president's talking about how he wants to open things back up, and I agree with that. He wants to get things back to normal, and that's a great idea. I mean, because he says, there's death comes from staying at home too. Staying at home also leads to death, and that's true because people stuck at home can't work, can't feed their kids, can't pay the rent, can't pay the mortgage. So what's going to happen? Yeah, you don't have to pay your mortgage now, but you're gonna have to come up with the money eventually. And once you can't do that, where are you gonna go? How are you gonna buy food for your kids, for yourself? So we need to get things going back again. Yeah, let's wait until this virus settles down a little bit, then let's get things going again. But things have been stop and go, and that's why I'm gonna do this trick called stop and go on my Duncan butterfly yo-yo, one of the original yo-yos. I had one in 3rd grade. Now this is why it's called stop and go, because I'm going to give it a little yank, and it's doubled up. The string is all doubled up around the yo-yo now. It's wound up again, but doubled. And then, that's the stop part, and then I'm going to give it a pull start like a lawnmower. That's another name for the trick too. It's called the lawnmower by another name. And so when I give it this little pull, there we go. And now it's going again. Nice sleeper. And it comes back to the hand, just as good as new. Thank you very much. That's stop and go. Magic Matt, Blinky.com. That's blinkee.com. See you soon. See you next time. You're the man.